Cloud ERP adoption is no longer a question of if, but when. Businesses across industries are rethinking how they run their operations, and many are realizing that legacy systems are holding them back. Moving to the cloud isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic decision that affects agility, visibility, and long-term growth. One of the main drivers behind cloud ERP adoption is the need for flexibility. Markets shift quickly, customer expectations evolve, supply chains change. Traditional systems, especially those hosted on-premise, can make it difficult to respond at the pace the business requires. Cloud ERP allows organizations to scale users, add functionality, and adapt processes without major infrastructure projects. Another key factor is access to real-time data. In many organizations, critical information still lives in disconnected systems or spreadsheets. Teams spend valuable time reconciling numbers instead of acting on them. Cloud ERP centralizes data across finance, operations, inventory, sales, and service, giving leadership a clear and current picture of performance. When everyone works from the same system, decision-making becomes faster and more reliable. Cost predictability also plays a role. Cloud ERP typically operates on a subscription model, which reduces large upfront capital expenses. There's no need to purchase servers or maintain complex infrastructure. Updates, security patches, and system improvements are handled by the vendor, reducing the ongoing strain on internal IT teams. That shift allows IT to focus on more innovation and business enablement rather than on maintenance. Security and compliance are often concerns during the adoption process. However, modern cloud ERP providers invest heavily in advanced security protocols, encrypted environments, and certified data centers. For many organizations, this results in stronger protection than what could be achieved internally with limited resources. Adoption isn't only about technology, it's about people and processes. Successful cloud ERP transitions involve clear planning, strong executive sponsorship, and cross-department collaboration. Companies that take the time to evaluate workflows, clean up data, and align teams before implementation tend to see faster returns and smoother rollouts. There's also a cultural shift to consider. Moving to the cloud often encourages greater transparency across departments. Finance can see operational impacts in real time. Operations can understand cost implications immediately. Sales teams gain visibility into inventory and fulfillment. The system becomes a shared platform rather than a back office tool. Organizations that delay cloud ERP adoption may find themselves facing rising maintenance costs, limited scalability, and systems that no longer support modern business models. Meanwhile, companies that embrace the transition position themselves for continuous improvement, faster innovation cycles, and better responsiveness to change. Cloud ERP adoption is ultimately about building a foundation that can evolve with your business. It creates a connected environment where data flows seamlessly, teams collaborate more effectively, and leadership can act with confidence. It's not simply moving software to a different location, it's creating a more adaptable, resilient organization prepared for what comes next.